Easy to transport and locks easy. Easy assemble and better security. Like everything but the mount to bike, not for my type biking. Good heavy-duty bike lock with a long cable. The keys are nice but not sure how unique they are. The tool that comes with it would be a handy thing to carry on the bike. The attachment for the bike frame to put the lock in while riding is a great idea. Just got this lock and it seems heavy duty, hopefully it works good too. If I have any issues I'll follow up later. It's a great lock. Hard, super sturdy. Comes with an extra lanky lock to put through the wheel and onto the U-lock for extra security. The only con is when I lock it gets stuck and I can't get it out. Sometimes I have difficulties with it. Other than that I feel my bike is safe with it. Broke the mount for U-lock same day, too small for my frame. Click link in description for more reviews.